Hello everyone. Today at Secret Super Chef, I bring to you a healthy breakfast recipe. It's whipped cottage cheese with roasted pistachios. I've topped this with some honey and fresh figs. It's an amazing recipe and I'm sure you all will love it too. Do try this recipe and let me know how it turns out. Let's begin with the recipe. In a mixer jar, take 50 grams of cottage cheese or paneer. This is homemade paneer. To this, add 2 tablespoons cream cheese, 1 tablespoon table cream. Grate some fresh lemon zest. Here I have taken half a lemon. Lemon zest will add a nice freshness to our dish. Squeeze juice of half a lemon. Grind everything to a smooth paste. This is the exact consistency we are looking for. If you find that your mixture is too thick, you can add little milk while grinding it. But don't make it too runny. The ingredients mentioned here are enough for 3 people. Let's transfer this into a serving bowl. With the back of a spoon, make an indentation in the dip. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons roasted and salted slivered pistachios. You can increase the quantity of the nuts if you like. Now my secret ingredient here is honey. This is cedar honey. It's been extracted from the nectar of cedar plant. This honey is available online. The details for the same are shared in the description box. My recommendation, please try this honey at least once. For this recipe, I've almost used 2.5 teaspoons of honey. This is a thick honey, so I have used less, but you can increase or decrease as per your sweetness. Now to add a little freshness, I've added few fresh figs here. Fresh figs, pistachio and honey are actually match made in heaven. So do try this combination and I'm sure you're going to love it. This dip goes pretty well with any kind of bread. We have used here multi-seed bread and it tasted amazing. You can even try this with some fresh pita bread. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching it. If you like my recipes, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.